Today, I am going to discuss a problem on the topic depreciation for BCom honors and general students. I request the student to copy the problem in your notebook and solve the problem while I do it for you. A plant was purchased for rupees 40,000 on 1st January 2015. On 1st April 2016, another plant was purchased for rupees 30,000. On 30th June 2017, a third plant was purchased for rupees 20,000 by disposing of the first plant for rupees 21,000. So the plant account for 3 years up to 31st December 2017. Assume the rate of depreciation was 10% on diminishing balance. The business closes its accounts on 31st December every year. Whenever you get a problem on depreciation, you have to identify two things. One, the accounting period, and two, the method of charging depreciation. Here, the accounting period is the calendar year, that is 1st January to 31st December. And the method of charging depreciation is diminishing balance method. Now, there are three plants purchased. So, first of all, we will do the working. So, this is the working. So, this working is very important when you are solving a problem on depreciation. So, this is plant 1. So, on 1st January 2015, the plant 1 was purchased, the cost of which was 40,000. So, I am writing here the date, the particulars, that is the cost of the plant, and the 40,000 is the amount. The next date is the year end date, that is 31st December 2015, when depreciation was charged on this plant 1. So depreciation was charged at diminishing balance method at the rate 10%. So this will be 4,000 rupees. So on 1st January 2016, the written down value of plant 1 is 36,000. Now, on 1st April 2016, another plant was purchased. So, on 1st April 2016, another plant was purchased. I named it as plant 2. So, on 1st April 2016, this was purchased for rupees 30,000. So, there is no transaction in 2016. So, on 31st December 2016, we charged depreciation. So let me write here less depreciation at first, and then on 31st December 2016, this is depreciation. I request the student to write the solution and the working in your notebook. So what is the amount of depreciation on rupees 30,000? So 30,000 into 10% is the rate of depreciation, and the time will be for 9 months because the machine was purchased on 1st April. So you have 9 months from 1st April 2016 to 31st December 2016. So 9 by 12. So this will be 2,250. And the depreciation on 36,000 will be 3,600. So I mark it as asterisk here and this one. So this will be 3,600 because 10% on 36,000 is 3,600. So what is the written down value on 1st January 2017? The written down value for plant 1 is 32,400 and 27,750. So this is the written down value on 1st January 2017. So on 30th June 2017, the plant 1 was sold out. So on 30th June 2017, so I need to charge depreciation on plant 1. So depreciation at the rate 10% will be 1620. So how I arrived at this value? So 32,400 into 10 by 100 into 6 by 12. So this is the amount of depreciation that you need to charge on plant 1. So after charging depreciation, the written down value is 30,780, and this was sold out for rupees 21,000. So you incurred a loss or rupees 9780. So written down value of plant 1 after charging depreciation on 30th June 2017 was 30,780. This plant was sold out for rupees 21,000. So you incurred a loss of 9,780. So on the same day, that is on 30th June 2017, you purchased another plant, that is plant 3. So I name it as plant 3. So this working is very important whenever you are solving a problem on depreciation. So here I write the cost of plant 3 as 20,000. So there was no more transaction during 2017. So on 31st December 2017, I charged depreciation on the remaining plants at the rate of 10%. So this will be straight 2775. So 10% on 27,750 is 2775. So the amount will be 24,975. And depreciation on 20,000 will be 1,000, because so I just show it for your understanding. So 20,000 is the cost value. You charge 10%, and the duration is for 6 months because the plant was purchased on 30th June. So 1,000 is the amount of depreciation. So what is the written down value of the plant? Plant 3, this is 19,000. Now when I will prepare the ledger of the plant, then I will show you from here the working is basically put into the ledger. So let me show you. So let me first prepare the plant ledger for the 3 years. So in one sheet, I will first show you the working so that you can understand it properly. So this is your working. So the entire solution I have presented in one sheet. So plant 1, plant 2 and plant 3. You can see it. So beside it, I will show you the working so that it will be easier for you to understand. In the same sheet, I am preparing. So here I am writing the plant account. Okay. So on 1st January 2015, so on 1st January 2015, to bank account, what was the cost of plant 1? 40,000. You can see in the working I have written 40,000 is the cost of plant 1 on 1st January 2015, and there was no more transaction in 2015, and on 31st December 2015 you have charged depreciation. So by depreciation I am writing here as 4,000. See, in the working, in the first year depreciation was 4,000. So at the end of the year, the by balance CD, that is 36,000. This is the written down value of plant 1 on 31st December 2015. So on 1st January 2016, the balance brought down will be 36,000. So on 1st April 2016, another plant was purchased. So to bank account, so plant account debit to bank. So the cost of plant 2 is rupees 30,000. You can say on 1st January 2016, cost was 30,000. So I have written here plant account debit to bank on 1st April 2016 as 30,000. Now on 31st December, depreciation was charged. So by depreciation, you simply add up these two amounts. So 3,600 and 2,250. So total amount of depreciation will be 5,850. So sum total of 3,600 and 2,250. See, on 31st December 2016, you have charged depreciation. So for 5,850. So what was the balancing figure or the written down value on 31st December 2016. So this will be 60,150. So you can write as a balancing figure here, or simply you can add up these two figures, 66,000. This will be 66,000 and this will be balancing figure. Or you can add up these two figures, 32,400 plus 27,750. So 32,400 plus 27,750 will give you 60,150. So sum total of these two figure, that is the written down value on 1st January 2017, is the balance is the closing balance of plant on 31st December 2016. So on 1st January 2017, I am writing to balance BD as 60,150. On 30th June 2017, you purchased a plant, so to bank account 20,000. So this is the cost of plant that you have purchased on 30th June 2017. Now on 30th June 2017, there was a sale of a plant. So first you need to charge the depreciation on the plant that was sold out. So by depreciation 1620. So see, I have written first the depreciation. So 32,400 was the written down value on 1st January 2017. So you have charged depreciation on the plant 1 for 1620. Now this was sold out by bank, that is 21,000. 21,000 is the sale value of the that you have received on sale of plant 1. So by bank account debit to plant account, and on the same, so you have incurred a loss. So by PL account, so this loss will be transferred to PL account, that is loss on sale. So this is 9,780. So when you are selling a plant and you have incurred a loss, so your total journal is depreciation account debit, bank account debit, profit and loss account debit to plant account. So actually the plant was for 32,400. Now what was the figure? First is the amount of depreciation 1620, then the sale value of 21,000 and the loss of 9,780. So this is the fate of plant 1. And on 31st December 2017, you have charged depreciation on plant 2 and plant 3. So I'm writing here by depreciation. So what is the amount of depreciation that you have charged on 31st December 2017? This two figure, 2,775 plus 1,000. This is 3,775. So the written down value at the end on 31st December 2017, that is by balance CD, will be 43,975. 43,975 is the sum total of these two figures, 24,975 and 19,000. So the debit side total is 80,150 and the credit side total is also 80,150. So this is the first problem that I am solving on the chapter depreciation. So I request all the students to note the problem first that I have discussed and also the solution. The main thing in any problem on depreciation is the working that you have to show. So I have clearly shown you the working, and in the ledger, when you are preparing the ledger, you are just posting the figures which are there in your working. Thanks for watching the video, and I request the student to subscribe the channel and to see the playlist section of the channel where I have uploaded many videos for become general and honor students.